Hello, so today I decided to make breakfast for dinner because why not, And I am going to be having, so I'm going to be having bacon and eggs, the best breakfast that I possibly know exists. And I'm going to show you the best way to cook the bacon. So I cook it on a paper plate with paper towels, and I put the paper towels over the bacon, over the plate, and then I put the bacon on, just like that. And then I add more paper towels on top, and I cook each piece for 30 seconds. So that's going to be a minute and a half. But I'm going to do a little less because our microwave is a much higher wattage microwave. So now I'm going to see if I can crack these eggs to where the yolk does not break. And of course, the first yolk did break. So it looks like I am going to be making scrambled eggs. Which obviously is not Gordon Ramsay. If you saw that, please do not mock my egg cracking ability. I would much appreciate that. So the eggs are done, and now it's time to start the bacon. I have the microwave set at 1 minute 15 seconds, and I will show you the reveal. So here's the final reveal, and I will be doing the taste test now. So now I'm adding Cholula, which is my favorite hot sauce, and then I will be tasting. That's amazing.